5 suggestions for creating your own AI scam using ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about a hot topic in the tech world, AI scams. With the rise of AI technology, it's becoming increasingly easy for scammers to take advantage of unsuspecting individuals. But, have you ever thought about creating your own AI scam? While we do not condone or support scamming, we believe it's important to understand how these scams work and how to protect yourself from them. So, in this video we'll be sharing 5 ideas for creating your own AI scam using ChatGPT, one of the most advanced language models available.
Creating a fake customer service chatbot.
Scammers can use ChatGPT to train a fake customer service chatbot to trick individuals into giving away personal information or money. Generating fake news articles. ChatGPT can be used to generate fake news articles that can be used to spread misinformation and influence public opinion.
Generating fake reviews.
ChatGPT can be used to generate fake reviews for products or services, misleading potential customers and damaging the reputation of a business.
Creating a phishing bot.
Scammers can use ChatGPT to train a bot to send phishing emails and messages, attempting to trick individuals into giving away personal information or money.
Generating fake social media profiles.
ChatGPT can be used to generate fake social media profiles, which can be used to spread misinformation or impersonate someone else. It's important to note that these are just a few examples of how ChatGPT can be used for malicious purposes. It's also important to remember that AI technology can be used for good as well, such as in natural language processing and language translation. But, it's important to be aware of the potential risks and take steps to protect yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related content and be sure to share this video with your friends and family to raise awareness about the potential dangers of AI scams. Stay safe out there.